Mind-blown chef here with the video that's gonna blow your mind. This is Cooking Made Simple. Today's video, guys, omelettes. Did he really say omelets? That's right, guys. Even you will be able to cook a professional omelet. Okay, so the first step is get the ingredients prepped. Okay, so not my choice of ingredients necessarily, but you guys can use whatever ingredients you want. This is just honestly what I had in the fridge. Alright, so let's prep our onion. I'll show you a little trick with the onion. For omelets, you want to have as small and precise as dice as possible. It'll make it easier to cook, and also all your ingredients will completely cook. We're just making one omelet, so that's plenty. Mushroom. That's plenty. And all I had was some Swiss slices, but I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna make little dices so it melts faster. Alright, so crack the eggs. I'll do 2 eggs. You can do 3 or more. I don't recommend really doing more than 3, but 2 is fine. A little salt, little pepper, and I add a little bit of cream. It fluffs the egg and it also loosens it a little bit. And then we'll just whisk these. Alright, so we got the fire on. We're getting our pan nice and warm. We're going to add a little bit of butter to the pan. And then we're gonna hit the pan with our ingredients, which is mushroom and onion. We're gonna do the cheese last and the egg, you'll see in a second. But we'll add our mushroom, add the onion, and let this just sweat. And basically what that means is we're gonna let the onions come to a translucent color and not get too much color on. We just want everything to sweat down. Okay, so now for one of the big key tricks. We're gonna fire up the broiler. Turn your broiler on and turn it on to high. While that's going, you're gonna turn on your other saute pan, a non-stick pan. Now it's very important to have a true non-stick pan. I would go out and invest in one that you only use for eggs. This is a 6-inch non-stick saute pan. Only use it for eggs, and don't ever wash it with any heavy detergents. Just wipe it out when you're done. And what that does is it keeps those natural nonstick oils, and that's the key to having a nice looking omelet, is you have to have a pan that's extremely nonstick. So we got our pan heating up, and we got our broiler heating up as well. Our sauteed veggies are on the side, they're ready to go, so those are just gonna sit and wait until the next step. Okay, pan's hot, drop our butter in. This is a heat-resistant spatula. You're gonna need one of those, rubber spat. Get that butter nice and hot. Get the butter all over on the edge of the pan. We're gonna let that come up a little bit more. Get it nice and hot. I like my pan real hot. Alright, pan's nice and hot. Here we go. Drop the eggs in. The trick to this is keep swirling your pan in a circular motion. Don't stop swirling your pan. Keep swirling. Keep swirling. Don't stop. Kill your heat. The eggs are basically almost done cooking. So now I'm cooking off heat, just swirling the pan. The only reason why you have this spatula is just to cut the edge right here. Keep it whole like that. Take your sauteed veggies, drop it in. Not too many veggies. Drop your cheese on top. And now here's the trick with the broiler. You're gonna drop this in the broiler. What the broiler is gonna do is it's gonna finish cooking the egg, and it's also gonna melt the cheese. Alright guys, so it was about 30 seconds to a minute at the most, and the egg is fully cooked on top and the cheese is fully melted. So now here's the trick. We're gonna come over here. You're gonna take your non-stick spatula and you're literally gonna just roll the omelet towards you, tilt your pan, bring it off the plate. Beautiful. No more excuses. You guys can now cook an omelet like a true professional. Perfectly cooked omelet looks just like this. No brown, no color, no crispy edges. You can use whatever ingredients you want. Just follow my steps that I showed you. Thanks again for watching. Sexy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave some comments down below on dishes that you want to cook that we could cook together. Thanks for watching.